This happened to me once before. Hello.
Ay, sorry Sorry.
Sarap mo po, no?
Sorry
Okay lang. Hi.
Ay.
I'm Gilbert.
Uy! Ay, sorry.
Yeah, okay lang.
Hi.
What's your name?
Glenda.
Yeah, okay lang.
Sorry
May shota ka na ba?
Ha?
May shota ka na?
Wala pa eh.
Wala. Ako rin wala eh.
Ano?
Wala. Tatanong lang. Nandiyan bang mama mo?
Ha?
Mama mo nandyan?
Wala.
Wala. Pwede ba ako manligaw?
Ha?
Pwede ba ako manligaw?
Ha?
Bingi ka ba?
Ha?
Wala. Kako kung pwede ba ako manligaw.
Pwede na rin.
Pwede na rin. Papasa ba ako shota mo?
Ha?
Kung papasa akong shota mo.
Bakit hindi?
Nice one! Thank you.
Ay! Diyos mio! Diyos mio! What did you do? Nasunog! How expensive pa naman di! Karne!
What did you say?
Huwag kang makialam, ha? Umalis ka dito! This is my kingdom! Out! Out!
Okay, I'll leave.
Out! Out! Out!
Hey, Toby, when are you gonna take me to the gym?
Can't you see we're busy?
Okay,
Gym?
okay.
Ano mo sa gym?
Para mahilig sa bodybuilding. Bigay hilig.
Ibang klase rin, eh. Oops!
What in the world are you guys doing?
Isn't it obvious we're dancing?
Okay, I get it.
I mean, what's it all for?
Don't you remember? We just lost our summer jobs. We're doing this because we're trying to earn some money. We're appearing in a TV show.
Right.
Got it.
Appear. Yeah, we're up in the TV show. Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Kami mga Pilipino. We're Filipinos, you know. Okay.
Hey!
Okay, ready?
2, 3.
Left, right, left, right.
How about that, Christy?
Yes, that was very
But
good.
for an amateur group, they're very good.
You know, we're really coming up with a generation of sensational dancers.
Yeah, I know that, Christy. And here's another group coming up who call themselves the Elites, and they're gonna show us why they're called as such.
Okay.
Di, may star ka na yun, eh?
Ilonggo ka man?
Oo, eh.
Ilongguman ko.
Ate, press mo lang tagali.
Bago ka lang, de?
Tugay man. Pro ka pabalik-balik pag
Bago lang ko, di?
Hoy, pare! Hey, Mickey, how are you?
Alright.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Pare, this is, Miss, I'm sorry, first name again.
Emery.
Emery, this is Mickey.
Hi. Hi. Ay, I'm
sorry.
Ay, nabasa pa. Ayoko.
Sorry. Uy, pare, may ginagawa bang pelikula ang mami mo ngayon? Baka pwede naman niya akong tulungan.
Artista mama mo?
Hindi mo alam? Mami niya si Ana Loizaga.
Cut it out.
So what? What's wrong, pare? Malay mo, fan pa siya ng mami.
Ako? Hindi ko hilig ang artista. Gusto ko singer. Kay singer man ko.
Naku, ang laki-laki mo na pala. My gosh, I can't believe it. Tita Nena, akalain mo may binata na si Edgar? Naikwento ba sa'yo ng daddy mo na sabay kami na contract stars ng Sampaguita Pictures noon? Do, medyo sikat ako sa kanya. Pero akalain mo, sikat na TV director na siya. Sabihin mo sa kanya, galit ako sa kanya. Galit ako sa kanya. Bakit hindi niya ako kinukuha guest sa mga TV shows niya?
Eh, tita, puro musical naman ang ginagawa niya eh. Marunong ka ba naman kumanta at saka sumayaw?
Naku, tapos na ako dyan. Not after my Urian Award. No way. Anyway, concerning yung tulong na hinihingi mo sa akin, I'll see what I can do. Alam mo naman sitwasyon sa pelikula ngayon. Ano nga bang pangalan mo?
Tita, Mickey.
Mickey. Madalang ang gumagawa ng pelikula ngayon. Eh, sang katerbang gusto mga artisan tulad mo?
Sige na, tita, kahit beat rolls lang.
Beat rolls? Tatanggap ka kahit beat rolls? Aba, nakakaya naman sa daddy mo. Bakit hindi ka niya ilagay sa TV show niya?
Hayaan mo, Mickey. Pag may chance, ay re-recommenda ka ni Mami.
Sige.
Tut, banggit, Ana. Ang gwapo ng bata.
There's no doubt about it. Gwapo nga ma eh.
Siya nga pala, ang bayad ng pag-ibig ng bahay na ito, Juna. Meron ka na ba?
Tita Nena, I don't want to discuss financial matters while on the dining table, okay? Mabuti nga't may sarili na tayong bahay. Si Ruth, nasaan?
umalis.
Saan nagpunta? Gabi na.
Aba, malay ko. May alaga pa akong tiga Brooklyn. Unless you take me there.
Tita naman, alam mo naman hindi sanay yan dito. At ikaw naman, Topi, why don't you be kind enough to entertain her? Take her out with your friends. Kawawa naman, ulila na yon. Imagine, her mother died right after she was born, and her father died in an accident lately. That's why I took her in. Tragedy after tragedy.
I don't want to discuss dramatic tragedies in the dining table. Hmm?